I have a new cordless leaf blower to share today from eWork. This one was sent over for me to try out and to demonstrate for you. Now this one is a 20-volt system, and it does include 2 batteries, so you can swap them back and forth as you charge them up and use them. This one is pretty lightweight. It is 20-volt max, like I said, 150 miles per hour, 550 CFM, and max no load speed, 18,000 RPM. There are 2 different attachments here. So you have your main tube, and then you have a little mini tube that also goes on here. So you have your little trigger here, and you also have a couple different speeds. So let's go ahead and put a battery in and I'll do a quick demonstration. Now this is not the time of the year for a bunch of leaves all over the ground, but we'll try it on some other stuff. So we have a 1, a 2, and a T. So we got 1, 2, and then we got turbo. So this is going to be number 1. We got some random twigs and sticks and stuff on my gravel. So I got a bunch of clay that fell into my gravel here. I don't have any leaves to try it on, but I got some much heavier wood chips here. Seems to have enough power for even these big old wood chips. Another thing I've seen people use these for is riding off vehicles and stuff. So this will be my quick demo on this eWork blower. I think it works pretty well, has decent battery life. You get 2 batteries. They charge pretty fast. It's got a decent amount of airflow for a small cordless, really lightweight blower. And overall, it does work pretty well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.